This is the super fast, quick way to cut pavers with a hand grinder. This will save you hundreds and hundreds of dollars if you want to do your do-it-yourself projects. Even to do this entire built-in unit here. So this is all porcelain tile cut. So I did this manually by hand. All right, so we're gonna go score it right here, here, and do a cut here and here. We're only going about an inch deep, and then we're gonna snap it. So this is a Ryobi 4.5 inch 5.5 amp angle grinder. It's 120 volts. It's super lightweight. It's made of die-cast aluminum. You can use it with the left or right hand. It's a lightweight design with a 3-position handle for left or right-handed people. There's a wrench storage inside the handle, so you never lose it. There is a key that allows you to take off the wheel guard, and I take mine off just because it's an inconvenience for the types of projects that I'm doing. And it is very, very durable. As you guys can see, I've been using this for quite a while. It's a lightweight design with a 3-position handle for left or right-handed people. You can do ceramic, porcelain, very detailed cuts. Overall, it's a very, very good grinder at a super cheap price. That is how to create a walkway in an hour. Total cost $120, $130.